What is up, guys? DRG Awesomeness here, and today it's gonna be a vlog thingamajig. It's gonna be like half vlog, half showing you stuff. Well, that's what a vlog is, so what am I saying? So it's gonna be a vlog, as usual, until Chris. Well, I could do gaming, but I just don't know why. I just don't know why I do it, but today I'm gonna show ya. Little dance here. I need to show ya. Why am I getting distracted? I'm not making a good video. Fine, I'll show you something. Money. There you go. Something of showing you money. 60p. But I've got more. Okay. For my birthday, I got these headphones. Wait, no, I didn't. They're almost broken. Look at that. Wires coming out. And these still work. Somehow. Well. No, I was showing you some gifts from my other birthday. Well, no. I don't know if I have. Have I? I have to do that again. But, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah. For my birthday, I got these. Converse shoes. They're not. They're actually slippers. And they fit. Ta-da! They fit. I actually got two up here. So in the future tomorrow, after Christmas, I'll be showing you tomorrow I'll probably put up another video of my Nerf gun arsenal. There you go. My Nerf gun arsenal. So, this is probably going to be a short one. Tomorrow, it'll be a new day, so it'll have another one clipped on. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna do in some videos, like edit them on my dad's computer, because I can't find the app that's on my dad's computer that's on my mum's. But I hope I'm getting my own computer when I'm at Christmas, or I might be getting an Xbox One. Ching! I might be getting a new Black Ops game, FIFA 16. With the Ultimate Team Edition one, with the legends. Oh, I might be even getting Pele. Pele, the best player. No, isn't he second? I don't know, but I think Cristiano Ronaldo's the best, and then it's Messi, and then Pele. Let's just say the top three is Pele, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Messi. But the top three skillers. You can leave comments down below, your three. I'm saying Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, and Ibrahimovic. See that? That's my thinking. I know my football. So, I'll probably come along on top, I think. I don't know. Well, this is probably going to be the end of this part of the video. But I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you subscribe. And I'll see you in the next part. Woo! Oh, sorry guys, Phil. Stand up. Okay, there we go. So, my Nerf gun arsenal is over here. You can't see it. But the first gun I'm going to produce we'll bring out, well, two, is the normal Nerf Jolt. It's tiny. It's a Jolt. Nerf Jolt, so it has like a... Wait, this is End Strike. And then the other pistol is can't believe this can have a little tiny scope on it. It's like a... So that's the pistols. Now we're gonna go into like not long range, but like shotgun type things. And yeah, so we're just moving the camera about. Just yeah. So the first one, if I can get it, is this one, and it's the Nerf Sharpfire. It also has an attachment, so yeah. Attachment, a long barrel thing, and it just has a little shoot thing there. It's pitch black, but no, it's not, sort of, but like you have like a little inside thing. I'll just borrow a bullet from somewhere. So this is one from one of my magazines. You just slip it in perfectly. If you want to use this, use it. Put it. Oh yeah, you need to pull it fully back. Oops. And then just pull it forward, and then it just goes. Out. There you go, bullet. Like, you can either use this as like a little sharp shoot thing. Wait, is this squint? Oh no, it's just my aim. Bad aim. Oh. And then this is like a little thing where you can put bullets in it, and then like if you have like you can clip this on to like your little trouser. Well, I'll show you. Like, do you know like this bit? Clip it on. Clip, and then like you can just pick the gun out when it's still sitting there. Take one out, pull back, put a bullet in, and then etc. and stuff. So that's this gun. And the other gun, just putting this bullet into the magazine, just quickly, is a quite old gun, but it's not that old. Need a new bullet. How many is in here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why isn't it going down? It's kind of broke. Oh well. So the other one is the let's get it here. Oh, sorry for the little bang there, but it's the can it fit in the frame? Yep. It's the Nerf End End Strike. This is the Nerf Elite, I think. Nerf Elite. Okay, just say it's a Nerf gun. It's the Nerf Alpha Trooper CS12, as you can see there. Alpha Trooper CS12. I thought it was a CS10, but you hold it like here. It's like a normal shotgun. It's like block. So to load it, you just put the magazine there. Simple as. Take it. Oh wait, yeah. But you can only load this if it's back. Oh yeah. Come on. I need 2 new bullets. Fine, we'll try with the other mags. Let that settle. 2 extra bullets. Well, that's a fail. in a bit, so that's the magazine. It's a 12. Yeah, 12. It looks like a 5, but oh well. I have 2. One here and one here. You can fit them in the frame. Yep, so that's my other shotguns. Moving on to another one. You might have already seen this one, but on like other YouTubers and stuff. And it's the I'm calling this the Nerf Trio. Get it? Trio. Another bad joke by me. So this can have like a little scope there, and it has like a little dot. Oh no, it's the Nerf light dots. Like wait, I'll aim it at you. See, aimed it. I've actually got 2. I'll show you the other one. Here's the other one, and then here's the other one. Got 2. And the and then we have one more, and it's the Nerf N-Strike Engage N-Force. Wait, is it the list? Oh, I think it's the Maverick Rev 6. What am I talking about? It's that like it has like a little button here. You like flip down, and then it like comes out, and then you just go. Like you can this would be like a really good gun for like shoot roulette. You just hold like a gun to your head, and then you just go bam. Well, there was this other one where you hold like a gun above your head. There's like a balloon, and then if you get the bullet, then you're basically soaked. And the last one, not last but not least, is the Nerf Elite Retaliator. I'm going to show you the different combinations you can use this. So, first one, normal, same gun as normal. The second one, I'm doing this in any order, so you can do this in any order. It's number 2. Number 2, get like protection. I like to hold it. I like to have the right hand on the trigger and the left hand. Most people like to do that. On to number 3 is the stock. No, that's the stock. This is the oh, I can't remember, but this is quite stiff. Sounds like it's broken, but it's. Wait, can this even fit in the frame? Yep. So this is the third one. And the fourth one is this one. Oh yeah, I can see like a little secret bullet compartment there. Ah yeah. It has it in the little shotgun ones like that. But like this is like the proper size. I'll just move the camera out. Magic! I'm a magician. So this is like the proper gun itself, if I could fit in. Then you have this little aim thing you can put up and down if you want to aim at someone or something. It's quite wobbly, as you can see there. And for Christmas, I'm asking for the Nerf gun modulus with like every kit. It's like, oh my, wow, 10 minutes. Yay! Reached 10 minutes. Just the normal Retaliator thing. And wait, 1. I think I've picked up 2. Yeah. So this is 4. This is 1, and then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. I just want to, well, like MP7 or something. It's like, and then the 5th one, and then the 6th one is this, just a straight out hand combat thing. And like at the back it has like a little circle, as you saw, like on the shotgun ones over there. But this is still a shotgun because you have to pull this back. Wait, I'll show you. Ow. Doesn't really hurt. I'll just demonstrate. See, it has to pull back, and then you just shoot it. Oh no, the bullet's coming out. So, and then you just pull that little button there and it slips out. So that's all my shotguns, I think. Oh, wrong way. So while I'm loading this with the 2 bullets, I'll move on to my I'll do my assault rifle thingy-majig type module thing. So I'll just put this in, load it. This is my second best gun. I'll just put all the attachments on. And in the future, after Christmas, I'm going to show a video of my best gun that I can make with all these guns. So, after that one, we have, it's not elite, but it's pretty good. It's an semi-automatic. Wait, I don't know if it is semi-automatic, but well, it's the Nerf Elite, and it says Elite.